Hey everyone, it's Lexus. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I had a wonderful holiday and I hope all of you had a wonderful holiday as well. I don't know about you, but I've been eating good over the last few weeks. Vegan Thanksgiving and Christmas food, and I am just so stuffed. Like, I'm ready to just go on a cleanse. Hey baby, you wanna come up? He wants to come up. Say hi. Hi, Papa. So yeah, I didn't really start my day yet. I don't really know what I'm going to do today. But I also want to say that we've reached 1,000 subscribers here on Nom Nom to Fitness, and I'm just so grateful for all the people that have been tuning in to my videos each week and supporting me, writing in the comments. I am beyond grateful, and I know I couldn't do this without you. Thank you so much, and I know that with your help I can reach 50,000 and 100,000. This has been a really fun journey starting this channel. I started this channel, I believe, in 2016, and here it is 2019, about to be 2020 again, and I just know I couldn't have come this far if it wasn't for all of my subscribers and the people that tune into my videos. So thank you very, very much. I'm so excited for everything that's ahead. It's going to be so great, and I'm dedicating a lot to this channel because I love what I do, and thank you. Right now I'm about to eat this delicious veggie taco that I made. I made these on my channel before, so I'll link it up above. They're so good. Look. It has chipotle refried beans, peppers, onions. I sauteed them with some salt and pepper, some Yukon Gold potatoes, some cashew cheese, which is absolutely amazing. It's so good. Some green onions and some sriracha on top. Anyone who's tasted these tacos are like, these are the best tacos ever. It is starting to rain. I'm walking into Target. I'm gonna get me some more protein powder. I need that to go in my smoothies. I just got these chips from Trader Joe's, chili and lime flavor. They look like Takis. These taste like Takis, but better. Not as spicy. Okay, so I didn't really get much. That was a very short grocery shopping trip. I just got some protein powder and a little bit of fruits and vegetables, some stuff to make some vegan fish fry, which you see me making right now. It's a very quick and easy, delicious recipe, so let's get into it. So you're gonna need 3 cans of artichoke hearts, and I believe these are soaked in water, not in brine, and 1 can of chickpeas. So I drained the artichokes, and now I'm just patting it down with a paper towel to drain any excess water. And then I'm cutting the stems off of them. You can save these or you can throw these away. And I'm taking some nori sheets. I took 2 nori sheets and I'm just going to blend them up in my blender until they turn into really small flakes. Like this. And I'm adding the chickpeas to a blender or a food processor, and I'm just pulsing it. No need to clean the blender. It's all going to be blended up together anyway. Now I'm adding the artichokes and the chickpeas to a bowl. Now my seasonings: 1 tablespoon of the seaweed flakes, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and now I'm just mixing it all up. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of Frank's red hot sauce. Now the only thing I would do differently is add 1/4 cup of flour. So I would add 1/4 cup of chickpea flour or any flour you choose, just so it can hold way better. It held somewhat like a crab cake, but I want it to be more firm like fish. So I'm just forming it into little oval shapes, and then I'm going to place it on a plate and let it freeze for 30 minutes. Once it's done freezing, I'm going to prepare the batter. So I have a half cup of the fish fry, which is seasoned, and a half cup of the non-seasoned fish fry. And I'm just going to mix that together. And I'm just going to fry it on each side. I'm adding a little bit of oil to a pan, and I'm going to coat it in the batter. And just fry it for about 2 minutes on each side until it's nice and golden brown. I'm back with this delicious plate of food. Got a notification. Just look at this deliciousness. So this is basically Christmas dinner leftovers. I have some potato salad, as you can see, some candied yams, some vegan mac and cheese, some vegan collard greens, the best collard greens I've ever had in my life, vegan or not. Oh, it's so good. My mom made this. I have some cornbread that I made. And some vegan fish fry. Okay, so I know at the beginning of the video I said that I'm going to start eating more clean and stuff, but these are leftovers. And vegan fish fry could be made, you know, healthy. You can put these in the air fryer and still be delicious. My goodness. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Definitely more, you know, healthy videos, what this channel is basically based on. Okay, for the fish fry, let's taste that. So good. For Christmas dinner, I made vegan fish with banana blossoms, and I'm telling you, it was out of this world. It tasted so close to fish. It was just so good. Everyone loved it. But this time, I didn't have any banana blossoms, so I chose to use the artichokes and the chickpeas, similar to how I would make a vegan crab cake. For the flavor, spot on. The only thing I would do differently is probably add like 1/4 cup of flour, chickpea flour, or you know, oat flour, any flour, just to make it hold better. Because it's holding more like a crab cake, not necessarily fish. But I'm using my fork anyway, and it tastes amazing. Okay, so I don't want to just eat that entire meal in front of your face, so I'm just going to end it right now. That was the video today. I made some vegan fish, grocery shopping. And once again, thank you so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. We can reach 50,000, 100,000. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're watching this and you're new to my channel, I appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.